Crankenstein is the name of a very funny children's book about a little boy having a very bad day. It has some great advice for how to deal with big feelings, and the main character is really easy to draw too. Follow along with me and I'm happy to show you how. Hi, my name's Kathy and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. Here are the supplies we need to make this drawing: just a pencil, marker, paper, and some crayons. You can also find a link to a step-by-step tutorial in the description below. Now, I do like to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper, but you could also just fold your paper in half in both directions to make some creased lines to follow. Step number 1. Let's start by making some marks to plan our big U shape for the head. Make little lines like I'm doing here on the top edge of the paper and one on that center line. Now place your pencil on that top left mark and make a curve that goes down and meets the mark on that center line. Step number 2. Now go to the top right side and make a curve that comes down to that center mark. Step number 3, a large zigzag line now goes across the forehead for that kind of Frankenstein look. Step number 4, it's time to draw the eyes. Let's start with the one on the right. It has a straight line across the top, a curve underneath, and then a half circle inside. When you're done with the right one, try to draw a matching one on the left side. Step number 5. Draw a simple curve for the nose, and then a wavy line underneath for the mouth. Step number 6. Add a simple ear on the right side of the head, and then draw a matching one on the left side. Step number 7. Crankenstein is actually kind of hunched over, so we just need to draw 2 curves for his shoulders. Step number 8. Draw a simple neck underneath the head. This will also add to the kind of hunched over Frankenstein look. Draw 2 lines to make the arms, and then a curve on each to look like the end of the sleeve. I've decided to make this sample drawing with long hair so you can see what that looks like too. Just draw the hair coming down from the top of the paper on one side and then the other, and make the bottom edge wherever you want it to be. Step number 9. Well, the drawing is all done, so it's time to get out that black marker and start tracing over those pencil lines. When the tracing is done, it's smart to take an eraser and clean up any pencil lines that might still be showing. Now it's time to bring out the crayons. I'm going to start with Crankenstein's green skin color, then some black for the hair, some purple for the shirt, but please feel free to use whatever colors you want, and then some orange for the background to give it an extra Halloween look. Do try to fill in that background really well because it'll make your Crankenstein drawing stand out even more. And there is my finished drawing. I hope this variation helps give you ideas to make this drawing look more like you too. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find more Halloween drawing lessons, including how to draw Frankenstein and a vampire bat. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Thank you for joining me today, and if you're watching this on YouTube, always remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified as soon as I post a new video.